What's up, guys? Your boy Do a Guy, and I'm back here again with another video. Today's video, I am going to be installing the racesang shift knob. I got this for Christmas, you know what I'm saying, and I'm excited for it. I can't wait to put it on the car. It's the racesang. That's how you say that?
Stratos?
What?
Stratos?
Plus core, R-Lock, black, Mustang GT, EcoBoost. It fits all of them. We're gonna open it and we're gonna enjoy the racesang shift knob. Look at that thing. Woo! Look, the packaging is pretty neat, and I like the way it's packaged. It comes with, I guess, a QR code to help you put it in, and a hex, I guess. And what is this right here? And then you get the shift lockout. Oh, a black shift lockout. Look at that thing. Woo! It's gonna look really good next to the new shifter. Oh, look at that! Damn! Have it sit just like this, showing, and you looking at it. It sucks that the seat in the back of the Mustang is not the best, so nobody's gonna see it. But it's cool. It's cool. It's a cool little thing. You know what I mean? So next thing I'm gonna do is show the shifter itself. And before I show the shifter, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and your family. Just help the channel grow, man. We are growing, and we need more people to join. So in here you get a welcome paper, you know, welcome to racesang. And then you get I guess this is an adapter that goes on top of that. And then the shifter itself. I'm not gonna show the shifter until I see somebody give a like or comment in there, you know what I mean? But yeah, let's go ahead, let's get right in the video and then do the install. All right, so first thing we're gonna have to do is unscrew the shift knob. It's really hard to unscrew this thing. I'm sorry to tell you guys, it's so hard. And the next thing we're gonna have to do is take the piece around this out, and basically you have to, there's a little ashtray looking thing right here, and I took that out. Then the next thing we're gonna do is pry this. Holy crap! How do you? I broke it. I broke it. Yes, that sucks. So you gotta pry the whole thing, not just that. All right, so to pry and get these little tabs out, you have to pry one. It's five of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then basically you just, when you're taking it out, you got to take the front out while you hold the back piece out. And it's hard to get to the back piece because this is a really cheap and flimsy material here, for what I'm saying makes sense. So that's what you got to do. I was able to get it out. It worked, you know. And now we got to get the shifter stuff off of here. And to get to that, it has these 3 little pins. If you guys can see it, it has these 3 little pins. All you have to do is pry the pin back and kind of lift it, you know, like lift it past it. And you got to be really careful, because if you're not, the shifter is gonna break. And I hate doing stuff like this because you got to really be careful, you know what I mean? You got to be really careful. Wow. Wow, that sucks. All right, stop it now. All right, so to get to it, you have to pry it from here, and then while you pry it, you pry the other side. 3 of them. There's 1, 2, and 3, and then while you're prying it, you kind of just yank this up a little bit, and once you're done, that's it. You put this on the side, and then we can start with the racesang shift knob install itself. And pretty much what we're gonna do is take this piece out. I'm not sure how this piece is gonna come out because it doesn't look like it's that easy to come out. So we're gonna have to figure a way to get this little piece out of here. I don't know if you have to twist it. I have no fucking clue. So we're gonna have to figure it out. All right. Yo, I've been trying to take this freaking shift stuff off and it's not coming off. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna stomp on them like a motherfucker from New York. Stomp on it. Bro, now we finally got it out, but it's still fucking glued on it. Are you fucking serious? It is still glued on it. Look at this shit. It is not coming out. Yo, I need to hit it out. It's not. All right, I fucked up. All right, so I was able to get it out by breaking it, as you guys saw. Now we have the shift reverse lockout, and I'm going to put it in. First, I'm gonna push this in here, and then push this part in here. It's a little too tight in there, like a little pussy, little pussy. But anyways, it's tight in here now, and all we have to do is kind of. Oh, look! When I put it in, it already reset to the middle piece, the middle position I wanted it to be in. Good. So that's where we wanted to be. And basically, what we're gonna do is that in the kit, it comes with a zip lock right here. You know, so we're gonna put the zip lock there, and then secure it. Because the other one was glued. We don't want to do that. I don't want to do no glue stuff, man. So I'm just gonna throw this Ziploc stuff in here, and then I'm gonna tighten it. So give it some enough room and enough material for it to hold, you know, onto. So now I'm gonna put the Ziploc in here and then pull the Ziploc. Okay. So put it in here. Pull it. So I don't know if you guys can see this. It's kind of hard to do this. Let me close this and do it on top of this. So put it through. I gotta tighten it now. Hopefully I do it the right way. Alright, it looks like it's tight in there now, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Let me give it one more snug. There we go. Now it's in there. I'm gonna cut it, obviously, but I want to make sure that. Oh my God! There we go. We can twist it in. I was about to say. Alright, so first you have to put the racesang shifter in here, you know, first, and then next thing you're gonna do is throw this in there. Woo, that thing is looking crazy now. Look at that. So this goes in here now, and shift lockout works perfectly, no problems. I'm not gonna tighten this till I put the shifter on top of it. And the next thing we're gonna do is take the I guess, what do you call this, the adapter, and you screw the adapter in here with your hand, tighten it in there until it gets lower. So oh, still going. It's a really long thread, so it will be something like this, right? Wow, nice. I'm gonna tighten the adapter later, you know, with something, then it doesn't move. So the adapter goes in there, and then next thing we do is take the shifter itself. Ooh, look at our baby. It's freaking Alcantara, man. Ooh, look at that thing. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Dang. But anyways, we got the shifter here, and it goes on top of it. And all you do is just kind of screw it in there onto the right size. You screw it in there onto the right size, and then boom. It's pretty long though. Low key it is. So I'm gonna probably bring it all the way down here. So before I do that, let me go ahead and set everything how I want it to be. Now, and I'm gonna get the shifter. It's in my pocket, by the way, boys. I just dropped it. Brand new shifter. I just nicked it. You know, brand new. I just freaking nicked it. And
are you serious?
yeah, I'm fucking serious. And kind of just toss this on here. This thing just sucks to take off. You gotta do this like a couple times to get the right, you know what I mean, position in. But boom, it's installed. And it's tight. It looks good. Reverse lockout works perfectly. Now we're gonna assemble the car back together. Same procedure you took out, you're gonna do the same thing to put it back together. All right, boys. So the shifter is installed now, and now I don't know how I feel about it because it's too long. So I'm probably gonna return it and get something real short. But anyways, this is it. I thought I'll let you guys know I'm done with the video now. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and your family. We are gonna end the video here, and also make sure you guys are watching the video because I have more stuff to come up. I have 2 videos. If you haven't seen the video before this one, which is the new wheels on the car, make sure you go check it out, man. So let's go ahead and continue growing. I'll catch you guys later.